everyone, and welcome to the fifth or fourth video on the Scarra Edge. So, updating note, I just updated the game off screen and changed the name to Mini Duels. Change the color of another plane a bit that comes down. Made another one, change the size a little bit, make it a bit faster, and stuff like that. Right. So let's see what we've done so far. So far, ooh, we can still go up, down like this. Though I still think it's kind of lame. Like, see, if you touch, it doesn't make, well, like, any type of sound. I mean, because we haven't coded it yet. So this time it's time to use variables. Right. Let's get into the code. Right. So first we go into the jet. Then we grab when this thing click forever is if, right? If sensing, alright. Go to sensing. It's a new one, right? If touching jet 2 alright, and alright, we also have to do something here. Set what lies to what, how many lies. Well, actually this is your choice, right? This is your choice. For me, I'm gonna put 15. 15, right? 15. So then if touching jet 2, then change lives by minus 1. Unfortunately, my father is working, so he can't explain this to you. So I think I'll left first. Yeah, left for me. So right. So when the green flag is clicked, it's like forever, so that it always happens. If jet 2 is touching, then it's jet 2 is touching jet, because they put it in the jet, touching jet 2, then change the life by -1. So now we duplicate it, Ctrl C, V, and then change this to jet 4 and jet 5. Alright, so since we want to make it a bit more exciting, why don't we put 1.5, then here we put 2. Then if you do that, I advise you to put 20. That will be more fair. And put lights like this. And timer. Right. Alright, so set timer to what should we set it to? What's your choice? But I'm gonna set it to 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. Right. So then we put another one of this. Now the code's starting to get complicated. Oh my god. Forever if get it equals operator. If go to variables, lives equals like 0, right? 0, then this is a very important block. Stop all. Stop all, right? But we want to make it a bit well, we also need to do it. So you find the OR operator. Lives equals 0 or timer equals 0. Then wait no, sorry. like this. Then we should Control C. Oh my god. Control C and Control V this. Time. Yep. Right. Alright, so first we do it like this. So now we need to do the timer. Alright, so first let's test it out. Test it out. Oh, see, look at this. Oh, do you know why it's like that? Because we have a very important block. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. If I'm correct, it should be much easier. Let's touch it. Oh, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Right, so this is pretty much the expected output. So as you can see, because we put a touching jet 4 and put live. So if you touch the blue one, you basically be minus by something point something, right? So this is enough for now. But as you can see, the timer isn't shrinking down. Why is it so? Well, yeah, for the code, duh. Alright, so the code for this is quite simple. One, control. I know what you're saying. Aha, are you gonna put the if one? The answer is no. This time we don't put. We put wait 1 second. Change timer by minus 1. Right, let's see. Let's hope it works. Does it work? Oh, yes it does. Alright, so I guess so I think this was what I was pretty much expecting to cover today. And it looks like we have done it. Alright, so far your game is pretty exciting. But if my father was here, he would have said this. There's no sound, it's so boring. So my idea is that when it's like this, we say you lost or time's up, something like that. But how do we do that? Right, so let me teach you that, right? I'm gonna teach you about text to speech. So go to your bottom left hand side, and then there'll just be this one. Then and the fourth one is a text to speech. Where's the sixth text to speech? Alright, you can choose whatever voice you want, but I'm going with the second one. And well, whatever country, whatever language you want, you can use. Well, you see, I know a bit of Korean, so I'm gonna do this. So that you can speak stuff like, wait a sec. Speak stuff like, you lost. Though since you guys can't really understand Korean, I think I should change it. Anyway, so here speak you lost, and here is speak time's up. You won. Exclamation mark. Right, let's see. Oh, and let me tell you, when you're testing it out, alright, so first let's test out the lies for now. Whenever you're trying to get hit, was this hard? Alright, so Jet 5 deals you the most damage, alright? Jet 5 deals you the most damage, Jet 5 deals you the most damage. Let's quickly die now. I hope the sound is on. Yep, it is. I never knew it would be this hard to try and die. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Oh? What the hell is happening? Oh, right. I know what's happening. Because we put something as more than 1, but then only if life equals 0. Daniel, stop. Same thing goes for the timer actually. So we need to put some code. We're a bit overdue, but we don't have really much of choice to it. We lost code again. Oh my god, I forgot this code. Anyway, or like less than 0. Wait, what's the code again? Oh my god. Sorry, but I'm not really that good at math. Aha! Right, now I know. So it's life is more than 0. Like this. 0. So we just literally gave them an extra life. Alright, so let's see what it works. I hope it does. It better. Alright, time to die. Good. Come on, let's get killed. Let's get. Yeah. Oh my god, it's even so hard to die.
진짜 맛있어, 한국 딸기.
You lost.
Ooh! Oh, good. Right. But there's not enough sounds, I think. So let's. Someone is here. Squeak. You got hit.
You got hit.
Wait, what are the ones? Wait 1 second, go. Alright. Yeah, it probably works, but so this is all for today's video, and see you in the and I'd love to see you in the next one. Bye.